welcome back. We're taking another look at a movie review. Well, we're doing another movie review. This time the movie is called 12 Strong. This is the declassified true story of the horse soldiers. Now this is a fictional movie. I mean, it's a non-fiction interpretation of the true story, but it's a Hollywood movie. There's another one called Legion of Brothers, which is a more documentary style movie about the fifth group, the guys that went in as the horse soldiers, the Green Berets that were the first in after 9/11. This is the big time movie. Brockheimer, so big time movie producer guy, made this one. It's big budget, good movie though. Often they take the movies and they screw with them, and they take the real life events and they warp them. This one I thought was pretty good. It looks like it's got pretty decent reviews. Probably, actually, the reviews are a little low, and that's probably because it's too dry. It's not fake, and most of the reviews I've heard of it though are decent. They show the guys in good light, and again, war is not fun or doesn't have a lot of money shots, so that might be why the movie itself wasn't a big hit. Nonetheless, I highly recommend it. It is a great movie, and I would recommend watching it after you watch Legion of Brothers, another movie we've reviewed in this series, which is more of a documentary about the fifth group guys that were the first to hit Afghanistan after 9/11. Alright, let us know in the comments if you've seen 12 Strong and what you thought of it. You can see it on all these different platforms, and we'll leave a link to the Amazon there. We want to thank our Patreons, people who allow us time to work on our 2A projects and our community building and have some fun with projects like this one. Thanks for watching.